to go to my country of heritage. Yes. Look this. Look at this. People. This is paradise. They just need to fix the damn road. And they need to come here and put in some drainage systems. They need to come and trim these bushes from the sidewalks and provide jobs to the community. There's a lot of people around here that will be happy for the work and happy for the paycheck. To clean up the road and put in some drainage, proper drainage system. And also collect these stray dogs, because I'm tired of feeding them. Look at this road. Look at this. This is, oh my goodness. This is madness. Jamaica is beautiful and have too much resources for us to be living like this, be driving like this. Look, up, whiplash. Just whiplash going down this road. I'm suing y'all, Jamaica. I am suing the Jamaican government. All right, so this little bump right here is good, and I guarantee you it's the people that live across the street right there that fix this part right here. But here comes some more. These people got their nice, pretty houses and have to drive on these roads to come to their nice, pretty house with their nice garden and everything. Look at the garden right there. Nice flowers. Look right here, folks. I understand we live in a country, and I understand y'all want to call this the bush, but this is the Garden of Eden in my eyes. It's beautiful. It's majestic. Look at the beauty. Look at the sky. Look how green everything is. The air is clean and pure. The people are beautiful, but the road sucks. But all the same, you do have some people that make up their face and act like they smell shit. But that's okay. I don't mind them at all. Oh my Lord, this is not even a road right here. It's completely gone. Look at this. I know. And I know you can hear all those sounds.
Yeah. Car shaking.
Yeah, they can hear it.
Like a tambourine.
I know. Oh my Lord. They definitely need to give you guys money for maintenance of your automobiles every quarter for driving on these roads to help you. Look at this right here, your citizen. Oh my goodness.
Children cannot walk here and go to school.
No, they can't walk going to school. No way, no way. Let me tell you, the bottom of their shoes fall off. And the government ain't giving nothing for free. They gotta pay for their uniform, they gotta pay for their shoes, their school supply, they gotta pay to go to school. If they don't have the money, they can't go. But look what they gotta walk on. Breaking their little skinny ankles. Yeah. They gotta pay for everything. Jamaica, I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed to go.
Scared. Somebody can hide in the bush and take away the kids.
Look at this. They could just snatch up some kids.
Yeah.
And steal these kids. There's no light, there's no street lights, there's no places for the sidewalk for these kids to walk. They gotta walk in the streets with the people, you know. And you say you get out of many one fucking people, my ass. Take that shit off your damn money. And if you ain't real, if you're not gonna live by your words, your motto, out of many one people, acting like you take care of your people, then you need to take it off your fucking money. That's how I see it. Take it off your money. Look at this shit. Where the kids are supposed to walk? In the bush? Climb trees and swing off that fucking tree like monkeys? Look, you see any sidewalk?
All the way to 2 cars inside.
You can't even drive 2 cars on this at the same time. Look at this shit. know what the fuck they paying for because this ain't no fucking road. Look, even the goats are laying on the road. Look over there. Look, people. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The man gotta wear a water boot. That's how bad the road is. And it ain't even fucking raining in Jamaica. It ain't raining. This man gotta wear a water boot. Y'all need to come fix the fucking road. ASAP.
Look at the light wire.
Look, where's the light wire? I don't even see it. Oh my damn, the light wire. It is. I can touch that shit. A little kid can walk by and just touch that light wire. Electrocute themselves. They don't give a rat's ass. Look at the light post. There's no light here yet? Holy moly. It's been over a month. They need to staff up, get new employees, more employees, get to these light posts, put up some new light posts, infrastructure, get these power out for these people. People been living in darkness for over a month. There's no emergency measures in place for hurricane. Hurricane come here all the time. There should be emergency protocols, but there's none.
Got nice banana.
Yeah, we're gonna take the bananas right there. But we ain't gonna steal people's bananas. We're talking about the road now. We talking about the government. Gotta do better. The people are sick and tired. And they just don't think that complaining is gonna get anywhere. Sometimes that's all you can do is